You've already seen the thumbnail. It's time to finish the crocodile belly Dior 1's. If you haven't seen in the last video, we created our own custom transparent soles for these Diors. The top one says laced up and the bottom says customs. I have the full tutorial on my video if you check it out. As you can see, the upper is already finished, and I did create this in a previous video, and I used crocodile, Napa white leather, and satin on the inside, as I said. I just never got around to lasting it up because I did want to wait for the right time in order to be able to put my own image on the bottom of the soles. Now we have the opportunity to finish this shoe up. As you can see, this is the upper right now. I will now transition it into me sealing up the upper. I'm using a really nice satin instead of a leather. So normally I would use a lambskin. For this, I'm using a nice satin that has a really nice shiny effect. All I got to do is double stitch up the eyelets. From there, we're going to go over to the wings. So with the upper being finished, we now have to connect it to the front toe, and in order to do that, we have to add the wings to each side. So we're going to be stitching it on the inside, then we're going to wrap it around, add the toe to the front, stitch the front side, and before you know it, it is all one piece. This is what it's going to look like. So for right now, I'm going to wrap it up, take it over to the sewing machine, finish up all the stitching, and from there, we're on to the lasting. Learn how to make your own shoe just like this. Link down in the description. 100% online for my shoemaking course. I teach you from start to finish how to make your own Jordan 1. Throughout the course, I show you where to get all the materials from, how I get all the materials, and secrets of how to sew with the industrial sewing machine. It is now time for the lasting process. I got my last right here. I got my lasting board on the bottom with the nails in it already. Make sure to like and subscribe. Smash the like button. Comment down below what you think of these sneakers. I got the upper all ready to go, and I love how it's looking so far, especially with the crocodile and the white leather. Really nice contrast. But that being said, we got to put this bad boy over it, start lasting it up, start giving the shape of the shoe, and get it ready for the sole. Real quick, this is the glue that I'm going with. I really like it, and this is the one that I've been using lately instead of the barge. After this, I might go back to the barge just depending, but for this, it's all clear, and it's really nice for the transparent soles if I want to add images like that. It's that time. I got the upper lasted, ready to go. As you can see, I have it all skived down, as well as the glue is now onto it. We got our sole that is all glued up, ready to go. Now all we gotta do is add them both together, and before you know, we got a full-on shoe. So from right here, I'm gonna heat it up, get a little ready to go. I'm gonna apply the 1 to the 2, and before you know, we're gonna have an exotic, full-on Dior Jordan 1. Just like that, we got ourselves exotic Dior Air Jordan 1s. These came out really crazy, like really crazy. I love all the textures, the colors to it. Last step now is to apply the sole, as in stitching the midsole onto it. So from here, I'm gonna get my thread, start stitching onto it, and before you know it, we got a finished Dior Air Jordan 1. The Diors are finally finished. These exotic crocodile and white Napa leather with the Dior on them. I love how they turned out, especially with the custom transparent sole on the bottom. This bad boy says customs. The other one says laced up. But I love the look of this. I think it came out fantastic. All the colors, all the textures going along with each other. But this is the final product, and thanks for watching. Definitely like the video as well as subscribe if you haven't, and check out this video right here. Check that out. You don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.